if you notice, is these plants still looks green, while these plants, these big trees, have let go of all of its leaves. So how come these trees invented such a cool strategies to survive through the winter? They look like dead. If you look into the bark of these trees, even in the harshest of cold, these are the layers that fall off, and so that the main living tissues remains unharmed. Okay, now I'm holding a dead leaf out of one of these trees, right? So how exactly these trees know when to just let go of these leaves, right? A process called as abscission. The trees, when there is like a change in season, when the day length shrinks, the tree notices that it's the time that it has to let go of its leaves, because winter is coming, and if it lets its leaves wide open, then it can ultimately result is wounding of a lot of leaves and unnecessary tension for the plant, right? So what the tree does at this moment is like it kind of closes nutrients or the water that actually goes into it. Now compare that with there's another leaf which is still green. You can also look at this. So this leaf is, it has evolved strategies to adapt to the changing winter, right? These are better adapted, so they have evolved protection. So if you notice, this leaf has like thicker layer to it, and because of which it can survive through the winter. So the plant decides not to let go of it and instead use it for more of like the photosynthesis, right? So, and you may have also noticed different forests that change their leaves coloration so drastically, right? So it actually comes down to the fact that during the fall season, the timing of the daylight changes, and especially during the dawn and during the dusk, the proportion of the red light coming from the sun, it actually changes, and this actually is sensed by the plants. Now they need to prepare for the better adaptation, right? They break down their chlorophyll. The chlorophyll basically changes into something called as anthocyanin and carotenoids, which gives more of like purple and orangey colors, and that's how you see different color variations, especially in the range of like reddish coloration of the leaves.